In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and print Avery address labels in Microsoft Word. This tutorial is designed to guide you through the entire process in a clear and simple way, even if you have never created mailing labels before. By the end of this video, you'll be able to confidently set up, customize, and print professional-looking address labels using Microsoft Word and an existing Excel list. To begin, open Microsoft Word and make sure you're working with a blank document. Once Word is open, move to the Mailings tab located at the top of the screen. This section contains all the tools needed for MailMerge tasks, including label creation. Inside the Mailings tab, click Start MailMerge. When the menu opens, choose Labels. This tells Word that you want to format the document specifically for label sheets rather than letters or envelopes. A dialog box will appear asking you to choose the label details. Here, set the label vendor to Avery US Letter, which is one of the most commonly used label formats and works well with standard printers. After confirming the label type that matches your Avery sheet, click OK. Word will now generate a full-page label layout based on your selection. If you already have your addresses saved in a Microsoft Excel file, you can easily connect that data to your labels. In the Mailings tab, click Select Recipients and choose Use an Existing List. Browse to your Excel file, select it, and open it. Word will then ask you to choose the table that contains your address information. Once selected, confirm your choice to link the data. Now it's time to add the address details to the label. Click inside the first label and choose Insert Merge field. Add the necessary fields, such as name, address, city, state, and postal code, placing them in the correct order. This step defines how each label will display information. After setting up the first label, click Update Labels. This copies the layout and fields to all labels on the page, keeping everything consistent. To make sure everything looks correct, click Preview Results. You'll see real data from your Excel file appear on each label, allowing you to check spacing and formatting before printing. Once you're satisfied with the preview, your labels are ready to print. With everything properly set up, creating address labels becomes a fast and reliable process for any mailing task. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.